morning, folks. It is Sunday, May the 3rd, 2020, and me and my grandson Preston, also known as Mo, are off to do a hike Dickey Knob. We're in Smith County, Virginia. That's in the Mount Rogers National Recreation Area. Used to be a forest fire lookout tower on top of it, and there's also one spot where you can get a pretty good view of Sugar Grove, Virginia, and the Rye Valley. The campground is closed, I guess because of the coronavirus. So we're parked at the trailhead of the Virginia. I can't talk this morning. Anyway, let's try that again. We're parked across the road from the campground at the trailhead for the Virginia Highlands Horse Trail. We're going to make our way down here and connect with the Dickey Knob Trail, which is at campsite number 6, I believe. Oh, before I forget, today is my daughter Aizen's 31st birthday, so I want to give a birthday shout out to Aizen. Supposed to be near 80 degrees today. Of course, it's a little windy right now. I don't know how many times this will make that I've been to the top. This is my grandson's first time. So I'm trying to introduce him to all the places I've been over the years. Don't know if I'll live long enough to get him to all of them or not, but I'm sure going to try. This is my kind of campground. Nobody in it. Should be somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 miles. When Mo's with me, I gotta kind of keep the mileage around 5 miles or so because he suffers from flat feet, and don't want to walk him too hard because he'll pay for it for the next 2 or 3 days afterwards. Well, I could cheat and go across there, but I want to go down here anyway and see if it is campsite number 6. Yeah, campsite number 6. That's just for informational purposes for anybody that's watching this video that's in my neck of the woods and has never done this hike before. Give you some idea how to get in here and get to the trail. Well, top part of the sign is missing, but the top part would say Raccoon. We're in the Raccoon Branch Wilderness, Jefferson National Forest. Well, we're coming up on the Overlook on Dickey Knob. It's not the true summit, but we'll probably make our way on up there. Yeah, the trail literally is right here on the edge. Which, Mo, watch your step. I can't stress that enough. Watch your step. Hug the bank. Because that is a pretty good drop off right here. And a heck of a view. What do you think of the view, Mo? Overlooking the community of Sugar Grove, Virginia, and the Rye Valley. You still hear motorcycles down there on the road. Actually, I can probably zoom in down there on the highway. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna soak in these views for a little bit, make our way to the top, and maybe have lunch there. Get back to you then. Now we're at the actual summit of Dickey Knob, because here's the foundation piers, or whatever you want to call them, of the tower it used to be up here. Here's a benchmark. Actually, there's another one up here somewhere. Yeah, down here. the other one. I don't see elevation on it though, but I'll check my GPS in a minute. See what we're looking at. I think it's supposed to be like 3,600 plus. In fact, I'll do that now. Looks like 36, 39, 33. Anyway, we're gonna spend some time up here, soak it all in. We got perfect seats here for lunch, and then we'll head back down. Talk to you then. Okay, we're almost back to the car. Pretty good hike. It really got warm today. Mr. Mo and me had a fun day, ain't we, Mo?
Yes.
And 5.6 miles. And there's the trusty old Kia. We have seen 7 other people today. That's the most we've seen in the last 2 or 3 hikes. Okay, folks, another one in the books. Until next time.